Start with the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, my dear YouTube friends. Hope you are all fine. As you all know that in each of my video I bring you a very beautiful and stylish crochet knitting ideas. Similarly, in today's video I have brought for you some very beautiful, very stylish, eye-catching, latest gorgeous crochet knitted granny square blouses designs in different color and different shape and different design you will see in this video. The design in this video will be different from the other design that you see. Crochet knitted blouses designs are made with great effort and they required skills handmade. If you have crochet knitting skills, so you can easily make different type of crochet things like bags, socks, shoes, clutch, handbags, rugs, dresses, blouses, and many useful things you want. If you want to have such this type of crochet knitted granny square blouses designs, so you can buy them from the market or you can easily get them from the online shopping stores. Crochet knitting is a hobby of many people, so you can also make a different type of crochet things for yourself from these people. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, so I would like to ask you that please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that any video we upload for you in which we collect beautiful pictures and provide you with more than one advice for free, you will get a notification of them. And last but not least, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.